Don't judge my face or my hair or my workspace, because if you made it through prom and graduation season and your hair and craft room doesn't look like this, are you even working? Today is the last day of school for my kids, and for me, it's still just a working day. I have a bunch of stuff to do, but it has to start with Miracle's pants. So I'll insert here how her pants are looking now. She actually got these pants from her sister, who is 16, and the pants were borderline when she was wearing them, but Miracle is a 5th grader. She's going to 6th grade, and I would like a little more coverage in these pants. So we are going to add some fun coverage for her so that she can wear these pants that she keeps saying that she has to wear. Ideally, you would start with a clean workspace, but it's 9 o'clock it's not even 9 o'clock, it's 8 o'clock in the morning. So these are the areas in particular that I want to cover up, because this is up way too high and this is up way too high. And then also I'm going to cover this up too. There's just a lot going on here. And we are going to use bandanas. You can get bandanas at most craft stores for about $1. You can get bandanas in a lot of places, or you can just put any fabric back here, but I decided to go with bandanas. So I'm going to start by just making, let's see, I'm going to make this all one piece. And I'm going to just do a little bit at a time. So I'm going to put this under here. The hardest part is going to be getting this into my sewing machine. Now I'm just making sure that I'm using my hand, because this is an awkward place, to make sure it's kind of straight. And I'm stretching it a little bit because I know that her leg is going to fill this up. So okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and put a green one in this hole. So just do these at the same time. And I don't know why, but I'm trying to get this little print here. You really probably can't even see it. Well, maybe you can in this hole. So same thing. You know, it'll be easier for you because you won't be trying to film it. And I'm just trying to make sure that's flat underneath. That's where the pinning came in handy. And I'm gonna sew as close to this edge as possible. I used to sew over pins, but I don't do that anymore. Just because I don't have time for stuff breaking anymore. I value my stuff a little bit more now. It's not worth the risk, because if it breaks, who gonna fix it? All right, so this has 2 holes. I'm gonna do it the right way. I'm gonna go around both. It's kind of stretchy here, so I'm gonna, there we go. Okay, now we're back to our early morning workstation, and let's zoom out some. You can see that these holes are now filled, but what we need to do is go in on this side, and you can use your regular scissors, but I'm gonna go in with my pinking shears, which are probably dull from cutting so much paper, but whatever. And what this does is it helps minimize the fraying. I'm not going to say it prevents fraying, but it minimizes it. I saw somebody using this on a lace front wig. Maybe that'll be in a future tutorial. I don't wear lace fronts yet, but notice I said yet. Okay, okay. All right, so we got this part done. Here's the knee. We're gonna let the knee be free, but we're gonna cover this in. I'm not against ripped jeans, so that's why we're gonna keep the knee. This does need to be fixed though, so we're gonna fix this. So I'm not against ripped jeans, not against holes in the knees, but we are against those thighs. So I think now is a good time to go in with purple. Yeah, purple. If you don't have a sewing machine, this is totally a project that you could do by hand. But you don't want to do it at 8 o'clock in the morning before school starts. So this may or may not get on camera, but this happens from, this is a great way to fill in any jeans, but you know how when you have ripped jeans and then sometimes you're in a hurry and you're putting your clothes on and then you accidentally kick a part of it and it just comes apart. So this, I kind of feel like one of these should be covered just for the design part of it, like just for the look of it, like to continue the design on down, but I think that it should. But then I don't want these to be exactly, yeah, I think that it should be. Just for color's sake, not for coverage, just for, because I need that to look the same. Okay, so now I did what I did not want to do, which was sew the pants closed. I was purposely trying not to do this, but somehow I did it. You like this, but you don't think we're gonna be able to get it done. That's how I feel. All right, let me see how far we can get. We got 5 minutes.
I have to put my shoes fast though.
Okay, I'm probably gonna take you to the corner anyway because it's raining.
And it's lightning.
Oh yeah, so
I'm not walking out.
all right, so you're gonna get a ride anyway, so that saves us some time because I didn't sew it properly. I don't know, Miracle. And this is like at an awkward angle too. The only way I could do it, I would have to hand stitch this part. And what time is it? It is 8:58. You think I can do it?
I think you can.
Jesus. I'm gonna go for it. All right, let's go. Let's get it. For the sake of getting this little patch down here, I have signed up for something dumb, so this happens sometimes. I have a problem with challenges. It's a thing. Are we gonna lose some quality here? Probably yes.
Yeah, I like my shoes so it can be easier for me to slip on and stuff.
Thank you for doing your part, Miracle, to help in this project. I know 5. How do the time, like, sewing uses extra minutes because
I know, every time I'll
Usually-
be watching the show, I'm like, when is it time for me to go?
I know,
It's
and then now
I'm like,
we don't have
what?
enough time.
It speeds up.
Crazy. It's real life sewing. Okay, so we're just gonna go in and trim this up real quick, and then throw you in the car and throw you out the car. Oh, get it. Okay.
No.
That's not about to go in there.